Here we have a 2024 Renault Trafic. So this is a long wheelbase premium. So seat covers are fitted in grey water resistant canvas. So being a premium model, you have the split center fold down section, split bases. So bases can still tumble forward like so for storage access. Separate headrests on both driver and passenger. Centerpiece of course has a built-in headrest, as you can see is provided for. Center section is its own separate piece, so you still have access to the clipboard holders, drink holder, and the center compartment still opens up. And finally you have the driver's side, as we mentioned before, separate headrests. Height adjustment controls are left open on the base. Airbag provision on the driver's door side, and the inside armrest has its own separate cover and access to the lumbar control on that armrest as well. We also offer canvas seat covers as well as other fabric options for the Renault Kangoo commercial, as well as the Master commercial van as well.